Hey guys, it is Christmas here in the Philippines, actually Christmas Eve, and Ethan just ripped open all of his presents. As you can see, here is the aftermath, a bunch of Paw Patrol, and Marvel, and Monster Truck mayhem. So we're going to start doing these as I promised. We're going to unbox these for you and take a look at them up close. So this is the one with Megalodon in it with the kinetic sand and some ramps. So we're going to take a look at it. Let me get my scissors so I can cut the box and such. And we've got another set. We'll unbox in another video. And it is the one with El Toro Loco, something like that. Then we have the 5-alarm ramp set. By the way, say hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye. Alright, so we got this cut open here. So let's go ahead and pull the slide out. It just shows you on the box, Megalodon, True Metal, Monster Dirt Set. 4 pieces, build it and jump it. And for ages 3 and older. On the back side, shows you what it contains. I think it contains the ramp, like a little mini shovel, the dirt, and the truck. And gives you a bunch of warnings and such things like that, and the website for Spin Master and so forth. So we're gonna get this opened up here, and probably should have opened it on the other side, but oh well. I'm just maybe I don't have to cut the plastic. So slide this out. So, this is the ramp, and they do not give you much sand at all. Just a formatted jump. So, yeah, they don't give you a lot of sand whatsoever. We have our own sand pit here with a bunch of kinetic sand and not monster trucks, but construction trucks in it. So we'll just add this sand to our existing sand and such. And then there's that little tiny shovel that they give you, which I guess is kind of cool to kind of mold things or something, like edges, if you're playing with the truck. So the overall sand is a little bit of a disappointment. I thought there was going to be more than that in the kit, but there's not. But the Megalodon is cool, however. It's got dirt treaded tires and such, so that's pretty cool. Not bad at all. And it is a metal body, pretty heavy. And the side fins are plastic, but the top and the tail are metal, part of the body. Nice detail with the teeth and everything. Looks pretty cool. You think it's cool, Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. So, let's take the plastic wrap off of the ramp and see what sand looks like in here. Their sand is a little bit different color, too. And the sand that we get here is not the Kinetic brand. It's a knockoff, but it's actually not as sticky as this stuff. But it's still pretty good. But the Kinetic brand seems to be like much better and probably easier for cleanup, because I know the other stuff kind of still leaves like a sandy mess. So this is full of it, full of the sand. And this has more of a dirt look to it than ours, which has a kind of a sand color to it. And you can get it here dyed in different colors. As you can see, it clumps up like wet sand would. And it is still, I don't think, as firm as this stuff. As you can see, it just comes right out like a big ramp already, and it does not crumble at all. It's pretty durable, actually. Kind of surprised, impressed with this Kinetic brand, so maybe it is worth the price that you pay. Less cleanup, I would say. So yeah, pretty cool. So guys, that's it for our Megalodon Monster Dirt set. And this is when it was still called Monster Jam. I don't know if they're going back with Monster Jam or if these are older leftovers from a year or two back. So anyways, that's what we got. And then we'll be back later to unbox the 5 alarm set and the El Toro Loco, I think is the one that we have. So we'll unbox those for you later on. So thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.